So myself Sumit Gupta, and this is my AI agent project which can analyze any data set with any number of rows, whether it's 1,000 number of rows, whether it's a 10 lakh plus number of rows. It can analyze anything within just a few seconds. So let's start the project. First, I would like to show all the features that have been made in this agent, and what will be the future improvements. We will discuss all the things in this video. So let's start. First of all, I want to ask one question. Uh, have you ever tried uploading 1 lakh, 10 lakh of data sets on any AI models like ChatGPT, Gemini, and others? We can see we can't process this number of tokens or in the chats. So basically this AI first pre-processes the data with the help of Python and generates some meaningful insights regardless of any data size, and based on the insights in the sample data, it is provided to the AI. And further we are generating some dashboards, PPTs, reports, and also a chat mode for you to talk with your dataset. So let's start. First of all, I want to change this world, I mean design of this. So this is the dark mode, and the previous one was light mode. So let it be. Let's start with the second thing, which is help and support. Here you can see in details what you can do on this platform, what are the features and the tips and the best practices. And there's a one more thing, a special button here, which is AI mode. AI mode, when turns on, it shows all the features related to AI. It applies all the features, and when it's turned off, everything you get is without AI. The pure Python outputs. So let's start with uploading a simple data set. So this is a company's data set which includes 1 lakh plus number of rows. So I will going to upload. So yeah, this has been uploaded and we can see our data set name. Now there are two options here, which is analyze and chat mode. So we can switch on any of that, but first of all I would like to show some of the things here. Here we can preview the data set where it's 1 lakh 5,000 number of rows and the 7 columns. Then there is an experiment mode, which where we can it is also called as data playground, where we can load our data set and see what happens. This does not include any AI anything. These are just the basic features that I want to show you. This is a global search filter, where we can search across the columns, then the group by, then we can also sort the data here, and the quick filters like with many options here, like with equals, and suppose I copy this thing and just add, so we can see that data only. So yeah, this is just and this is the statistics. So we'll skip this part and now move on to the next part, which is chat mode. First I will show you the chat mode, then we will go to the analysis mode, where we generates a document. So this chat mode is ask question to understand your data, no document generated. For example, yeah, in the right side we are not leaving anything empty. We can open this, we can close this, we can see the chat insights here at the lifetime while chatting with a AI agent. So let's start. So let's select from these only and what are the main insights of the data and ask the question. So we can see here are some key insights from data. Top companies. The data set include information 30 different companies, then company ratings, then company type, and then headquarters, and the employee count, and more things else. And we can see total insights like key points, numeric insights, comparisons, and we can also filter here categories, trends. Suppose I ask about trends in data. So now we can see the average rating is approximately 4.0 and the rating range from minimum. So these are the trends in the data, and we can see the trends and pattern here, and we can now see this here. So this is how we can generate a chat insights too with the help of chat bot. So now let's move to the next thing, which is analysis mode. So this is the main thing that we are doing. So first of all, there is a generate audio insights also, which may slow down the processing, but yeah, we can also generate the audio output too. First I will generate the analyze data, and it will generate a dashboard, a ppt, and the reports, summary, and everything only except audio. When we select or not select, it will just take 5 to 10 seconds extra to generate an audio too. So now within 5 to 10 seconds it will process the data with 1 lakh plus number of rows and give us all the output required. It is constant for any number of rows. So now we can see the summary has been created. This analysis key characteristic of 1 lakh 5,000 number of profiles, and while the geographical distribution of headquarters is heavily concentrated in Mumbai, New Delhi, and more. So we can see that total columns is 7, numeric columns are 3, and categorical columns are 3. Why we don't see one column here? Because it has been extruded by a Python, as it was something related to ID. Then there is a insights where we can see all the data. We can see some categorical data where Accenture has 3500 number of rows, Cognizant and 3500 number of rows, and many more. Then we can see the type categorical of data. Then there is a headquarter. Then there is for numerical data we have a mean, median, mean, and max. Now for charts, we can see some charts that have been generated based on the Python, and we can see some of the things here which will help to analyze a data set without any technical knowledge. Now there is a interactive dashboard that I would like to show. So we can see some dashboards and some summaries and key metrics. We can also download this, and there is a PowerPoint presentation too that I would like to show and download. Yeah, so it's downloaded, and so boom, we can see data analysis report here, which is in the form of PPT, which key insights, executive summary, key metrics overview, distribution name, recommend, and the most important part is recommendation based on a data set. Then there is a detailed analysis report too in the PDF format, which includes the summary and data set overview, key insights, and the recommendations. So now these are all the things that have been generated, and we can also generate the audio too. Now full data will be processed for the audio too. Till then, let me show you some help features, like what we can see. We have a smart filtering, we have a dynamic sorting, we have a group transformations, which can be found in the data playground. We have a different help section for the data playground too, and we have all the features listed here that you can see and use. Then there's a chat mode. For example, you can upload a data set, and based on data set you can now ask which company is the highest rating positive, what are the main insights from this data set, and more. And for the new user, we can see the getting started page. So we can see there's some extra processing time because of audio. I would like you also to try this AI mode by on, and also try to generate it in the off mode too. Now we can see some AI insights here too on the left side of the page, and in the detailed reports the all other things are generated again, and we can see the audio insights too. We can see the preview here.
Welcome to your data analysis insights. Your dataset contains 105,000 rows and 7 columns. Executive summary. This analysis examines key attributes of companies, focusing on their ratings, then growth rate, 2, indicating a Mumbai plus 114 more.
So this is very amazing one, and we can also download this audio, and and we can do multiple things here, as we can see in the chat mode in as well as in analysis mode. So we are going to launch this soon, and we are going to add more features in the future, So which includes more analysis, more Python pre-processing, and the less time for the generation. So for now we are taking about 10 to 20 seconds for all the document generation except audio, and extra 10 to 20 seconds for audio. So we will improve that, and in the future we will add more features, more proper pre-processing and more. So thank you, and yes.